getting ready for bed. Has it ever happened to you before where you know you're gonna wake up early because you need to catch like a train or a plane or something in the morning, and you want to go to bed early so you can wake up early and not sleep past your alarm clock? But then you end up doing this and doing that and doing this and doing that and end up going to bed a bit late. Well, that's what's happening to me right now, you see. I just hope and pray that I don't wake up late. Right. Hopefully, I will record the second half of this testimony on the train because I'm going to be on time, alright? Have a good night, folks. I'm awake. Alright, morning routine, hot tea, where are you? Brilliant, let's put it on. Hey, we made it. You have a great day, alright? And don't forget to smile.